in Kisii County, and all the guests who have arrived, and the ones who had been here since morning. I want to welcome you officially to this ground of Gesabakwa. Feel most welcomed and feel at home. We are happy to see you. We are humbled before you, and we are privileged this day because we have never received our First Lady. It's long since our governor, Honorable Simba, came to this field. He was there. He gave us a speech before he was elected. There were many promises he made to this place, especially to our school, of which we remember so much. So I hope and trust that they are going to be fulfilled by our First Lady, our mother of the county, plus our able MCA, Madam Beatrice. So let me welcome you and talk to your people. We are very much happy to see you. I want to welcome you, Madam, so that you welcome our Honorable Madam. Now we go straight to entertainment. We have our junior boys who are going to give us a folk song. After that, we will have a shairi from our high school girl, Diana. So be closer to this so that you will continue. Welcome.
Thank you, Madam Teacher. Tusaidie wageni wapate viti hapa. Watu wa nyumbani tafadhali tusimame. Teachers wale waonekane wa nyumbani wasimame ndio wageni waketi. Mwalimu harakisha tu ni dakika moja. Dakika moja. Ni wimbo ama ni shairi? Ni wimbo tu wana present. One stanza. Ndio peke yake.
Check one.
Thank you.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you. Sheila. Kwa mheshimiwa on stage grade 7 with a Kisii folk song.
Ready.
In front of you is Gesabakwa Junior Secondary School, ready to present you a Kisii folk song. Welcome. Kwamba kabana mbuyore asevarumbi amore katika someke bana kanyara pitris kama kwanje baba pitris bana mbuyore kwani
Songeza maji kwa hapa.
Secondary kwanza. Secondary. Kimbia haraka. Hata watatu wanaanza wengine wachoini katikati. Anse.
Tuko tayari kuwapokea yenye mada wosia. Ndio, wosia. Chini ya daraja 1, 1, 2, 3. Makinikeni. Sikia mlezi wangu, naomba unisikie. Elimu kama mamangu, naomba unisikie. Naomba wewe wosia. Singoji kuwashukuru. Nyumbani mkigombana, mawazo unisumbua. Wazazi mtopatana, tumaini unitua. Naomba wewe wosia. Singoji kuwashukuru. Tumewatuma shuleni faida zetu za pata zote kanuni. Jukumu kupata wanafunzi mtiini baraka. Naomba wewe wosia. Singoji kuwashukuru. Migogoro yote kusha, songa mbele tunabisha. Kwa suluhu za kutisha, bila shaka tutafika.
Asante, makofi tafadhali. Mwalimu, tunakuomba ukuje tuite walimu wa introduce. Tafadhali gesaba kwa usiite kwa ingine.
Tafadhali. Walimu njoo karibia. Walimu wote wa high school and primary kuja hapa. Kwa dakika moja. Tafadhali. Hebu. Principal. Timu yako. Walimu walio mbele yangu ni wa shule ya msingi ya Gesabakwa. Tuko na Mr. Jobin, inua mkono. Madam Melen, Madam Eris, Madam Regina, Madam Jacqueline, Mr. Ezekiel, Madam Olfa, Madam Sarah, Mr. Robin, ngemuita Madam Robin, Mr. Edwin, and I don't know whether the rest are, but I'm Madam Rose Mugusu, Mwalimu mkuu. Mwalimu wa pili is around but is not here. Anaitwa Tom. A staff of 16 teachers. We have I'm also a teacher, but I'm from Enderet. I'm happy to see our first lady here. This is very great. I'm Grace, I'm the head teacher there. We have just got the information that we are needed here with candidates of grade 7, grade 6, and standard 8. So I'm happy. Thank you because you have remembered us. I think with the time you will remember us also, then you will feast our ground there. Thank you. I came with my teachers. Where are you? Wave. Thank you.
Thank you, Madam Rose. So thank you, Madam Rose. Thank you, the MC. My name is Mr. Njiri Evans. I want to take this opportunity and appreciate the presence of our First Lady. I'm made to understand she's called Kwamboka. She has decided to take a local name, and that's good. I also want to appreciate the Member of County Assembly, Honorable Beatrice. Mr. Kangara, you could be moving closer so that we finish at the same time. So, and all those other members who have accompanied our guests from the county, we appreciate your presence and we are not taking it for granted. You have come at the right time because this is the time we have class 6 and class 8. And the Form 4 almost going to sit for their exams. You are coming here is a blessing. We feel humbled, we feel privileged. And I think you are going to bless these candidates and they will perform well. I want to thank you so much. Once you finish from here, Madam First Lady, we have a tree that you want to plant the other side. Kindly get time and come over. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Madam Rose, our area MCA, Madam Beatrice, and the First Lady, Madam Kwamboka. Na wanafunzi wasalima mjambo, na wazazi mjambo. Mbele yenu ni mwalimu mkuu wa Magena Boys High School, na kwa majina naitwa Mr. Davidson Kengere Mbaka. I've decided to come with an invitation of Madam Rose because she's my age mate and a colleague in the teaching profession to come and participate in this very, very serious occasion of blessing our students who are going to do their examinations. So together with the rest of us who are here, I wish all of you the best of luck in your coming examination. May all of you pass. Thank you very much. Principal Mr. David Kengere, Senior Principal, Magena Boys High School. Looking forward to receive many of you in our high school next year, come 2024. God bless you. Amen.
Thank you, my teachers. Now you can get seated. Erebuya was erebobe. Imoko get a kini. Ingoroki, Ngumna Moko get. Abuni Chemoro, Oroking of Fast Lady Morocco. Thank you. Mel Kwamboka Simba, Your Excellency, all the MCAs who are here, the Waziris who are here, head teachers, all the teachers, parents, now wanafunzi. The Lord is good. All the time. You are at Bombababora ward. This is my ward office here. The schools which are here next to the ward are Gesabakwa Secondary School, Gesabakwa Primary School, and the Secondary School. Let me thank you, Your Excellency, for what you are doing for the whole county, visiting schools and assisting the candidates. You are welcome to this county. Ena motebirie ngaigwe ngambu yare inkale na boigo. Bono tigangiriri bagiriri abene ngari ganie aba MCA bali bachorire asekitsi county government moche monkwanerie abanafunzi na abantu bane. Your Excellency, here I have the parents of Gesabakwa Primary School who heard that you are coming here and they came to welcome you. Aba MCA bali machorire. Karibu. Thank you.
Mutanga nikiangera njisito ange gambu yomole. How are you? Muyamole mwezi kabisa. Mo manyete paradiso. Uriyo machoge maate ogembe tao. Mo maete robara. Maate gari kugambira baochi na bambaba. Mo maete boyo. Uriyo ma MC bogembo timbu atia mangana na acha kukwana. Ntonta ete okora sengenche engati achire. Ntaetente bege nteke mogiuka. Emi njena akole to bukansora kare. Dirio get mukansora. Mama eto getange. Ngakora nando bo MC umwako uyu ngwa yaro umugabana. Ande bono no mo MC ende. Na rocho ngwa none ritukiri mogotara ache kuwishia abana ache kuwishiria abana mayanga baita matemo. Gusa bono no bolimo. Na ache none ritukiri mo. Mwa maetu mukongwa. Imagine naanda aruete mo wajiruruga. Lakini oyo moloji bunaro mo bari. Abantu maete oyo nde Simba agasoma buya akamanya gukwane gesongo nanda akamanya gukwane rugere gotonga nyau ege China akamanya koreto mukungu yo moja igone rasi no mokorekereke nyato gosoma tigango tebi gendo gekoba ibi moisiri biketiganda arabite byonse paka ba kogosoma kuguika kirasi sana ibere Umusubati ora nyoma igete kirasi. Abuna abaisi. Ebisaka na bira bekera bikire no kirasi sana shitro bira nyoro muntu form 3 ga ura kine form 4 arombi konyo. Yes. Na ande ko kusoma ku ki university mumura na bora nyomo muise ko igete form 4. Ne bat. Usonya ro yokordi university. Lakini abaisi aba motanyole motageti university no matengi kuja kunyoma. Okonyoma amasagiro na wamwata akonyoma kere igone rasi matoso tiganko le goteba igon abana baiseke enkonya kubatebika nando yo manaro goja maiga ora basa kukwana abana baiseke nyomota ete moje gosoma burungi ayo ma akonya goteba iga nanjina wonda ete mentenga abana baiseke basie kama goro baigore bitabo usaba na wage batali boy na kitu ate bakore kere ebisane ri na ate bakore kere na ande basaja baino mbayo ga bomba ba abasaja baino kai ba kutoka kera mwasomire bogocha kunyoma goro asandanga ebi moise bi nabira nangi ntu ate moise kere chise njigo sawa ndoko le tema galai na riba akora kereke lakini tigamba warning yo moise yemo iga magena moisonde ekero musacha atogeta abwatu mukungu bomuntu atu arusi amaiso lakini simboyo muya ateba iga ebi musacha mbire bitaru kwibisacha binga buna paradiso biko beka jirong lakini biko ega abana besuku bado tari maisha toko biura etoko rusia binto birinde bitigare bosa tari baigo wose bigo le bakungu abachiyu biganko le la upita sakweta yes nima ete kurupitirise achoru agorete ng'ombe ye moto karirimo lakini rero ne rasima agore ng'ombe abantu abakore kereki bari oteno wolimo tabata yaro bole chiombe abantu bakore kereki barage nande buno bole te abane woman oge te abane woman yo bole chiombe irenga Biamore Mutagon te gara rende ko sinan jenka ne ngombe. Aya. Nta to korega. To te gara na wana wadia. Nchengo ro komana ne Richmond rayori. E no mo MC obo ka wode go to ka bo tutu chache bwa ya maate. O monto gara na chaga no mugaba no ito ko Simba Arati. Momu anjete. Aro kyango sama ko ga momu anjete. Biamano. Ino na wantaba ngaini. Na wantaba ngaini. Mua chore to musubati taibo. Mayane ere biye katubugate. Ere biye kaiga. Momu anjete. Oyo obu yango korari gasne gavana yeito. Digo, ntubugati bo kongunere go sebano. Nakiya tore tira. Taibo igo. Ote na yori o sire okwagi o mogongari so taibo inkermami go tenere okwagi. No chikwagi omondo tari kogosira. Paradiso okwanira ngo tikatore yendo gete gare no mogocha goitera amanyi ngana no motamire mote aba ke nimba cha taibo. Ekinto bwati bwoba lakini egente getangani. Mwanje tomo gaba no ito. Moiso de ba teba nga inumo kumorama. Na ba teba aba muramba ba ko nyagoncho kama ba ko nyagodanga aba na gaste ya okora ine tae to simba ne tae kumureka ai simba ne mamba simba ne tae kumureka ai simba ne mamba simba ne tae kumureka hai na ro de gore mwanje de simba taibo
Kero monta mo kyo ko ate simba mbiore. Koruga igasto koro kabuma bomba ba. Ntokuanje mo te bomba ba ntokuanje te. Orio kuange te tigage ndare. Haya DJ. Sababu ya muda ningependa kuendelea, lakini nuna bantaba ya mtoto tochega omongi no yo mongaini otaretirega taibo. Gosi mambo barenge. Pono mogo tiga koruga iga momo geni buya mumutome achate bisimba nera acha ko bakwani. Mchencho motanga ni tiyari na mwikeria maigaino momwanje te taibo. Bari bako wangaina tiga bagenda taibo. Kego ikatonsewe ni chukura momoy. Chinyinge. Abana abamoko genda mukwani abayibori bayino mubate simba na abanjete na inde banyako beke nkole ayeme taibo. Ndia mwana side gawasin.
Bia bora mheshimiwa takwani tibia. Mwakere singo bina ria raruwe ng'ombe yote. Bia mwana sana. Aina bwato amasie. Mate siase yego ikotwaro muyo munumiya otwara ne bikoro taibo. Na bwate bikoro. Ncheti te kwa na magana mange te to mwana gwe ka tengere mweza wadi. Eka simbari tae. Sawa.
Simba ne mamba, simba ne simba, simba ne taye kumureka. Aye simba ne mamba, simba ne simba, simba ne taye kumureka. Aye simba ne mamba, simba ne simba, simba ne taye kumureka.
Asante. Asante. Abana babe ya kimatero jere school. Bana mole school. Para ncho babera. Bocha bare school. Kimatero go jere school. Ya, kimatero jere school. Ha? Uniform bata bugati. Koma gorano uniform ababere bona bacha bate school. Taiba. Vai 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 vamos aí vai. Vai sirete. Para tu insta iba. Vamos vamos nada. Umwarimu walio primary ngo kwa natore nere torra bana basa school bachaka gusoma taibo ndia mono sana bakonywe mwanzira si barate bakonye na nchebe kaka koko kana kasinini ndia mono sana ndia mono sasa
ndio totegerere. Your Excellency, that's need the case. Tuwapatie, mimi napeana shilingi 2,000, mheshimiwa hapa anapeana 2,000. Tupea watoto kwanza, tupee mwalimu wapate uniform, waingie shule mara moja, si ndio? Mwalimu akuja hapa, chief wako hapa, ama assistant chief. Mwalimu wako hapa. Afuate paka mahali wanaishi. Sawa sawa.
Nani anajua kweli? Gloria yako wapi? Wanawe mwaba. Amesema anajua kwao. So utapatia mwalimu au watoto wapate uniform waanze masomo yao pia kama hao wengine. Aba zwa ndombi ya more. Morosti ndio mungaini. Nje nkoro kupito tachi. Nyororo seito monyere roga alipo kichache not. Nje na chirega iga. Kebarako.
Chibesa cha ruruga iga igo chire 8,000. Tigambere na chio ndore na kingonchi abana.
Koratiga. Omweshimiwa naye tigara menta.
Mwara rango andabune kuchipa gina menta. Omonto nzibogete pi.
Mheshimiwa no miyare. Tutagarane. Halo. Nchena bata vingoro kwa pito ta chiko se nyororo. Nakina bata vingoro kwa. Anyororo ndiri bwango. Igo ngoro bogetutu gari wodi kurunga monyerero na inche nincho mo MCO we wodi ye. Na ari assembly ninche ndomo kepi. Lakini bono naende muswazi tobwato yo mocho orire no yo kurku Beatrice mwato ete gochaga iga. Iga saba to bonsi bagu siengi manya mira na kisi ni mweka mwato orito muswati. Na bate ba tenga baswati kibatanga ine busia sama gende na bantu bonsi bakonyori gento bakuri. Igo Beatrice ngo barete nare gento mwaria. Na bachi basari. Ngoro kianga se bari banyora chibasari. Igo ngo te mara sa kunyara. Geto musabere ne tumubwatsi ga sia para na ngongwere na inde bunaro muswati mu support mo konya kumurta magena. Egia kabere tete kwakera omo ngina bumo governor first lady okorkumei kwa mokanga bia mono asegi seisika cha kire kyo koina na bana ebintu bakorera matemu na kuba support iri ne basigweta matemu emiaka 10 nja eta mwanya kore ebintu ebiko ba mwaro te biko emiaka 10 nja etire igona kimogo te ba somo governor ito Simba Arati barenga bate bire ngo governor se ni gwe barenga bago tenga bimente kasa bikorwa mwantire bimente ke abanafunzi bari morango basabanga mukoro mukia abare bari grade 6 mora barenga bago za konyore gento kirimo konyore kiekorukwa exceeding moto monyore exceeding expectation na class 8 monyora max mine kuchigoro taibo na bari form 4 TH yoko tete konyoraga mo base gosokia ababuna mwairuga mo base gotobo soku mweta matemu buya mo chiko tokonya kuchibusyo igombi mono sana tikanya saba sini
Biyamana sengencho yelibaga nchena kuona na bantu bana konya motaracha igo nche ngore tenspeti ground how I have found someone Jenny Haron stand up. She knows where these kids come from. Tomorrow on Friday God willing very early in the morning she will accompany me to the place, see the place, and then I see what to do. And after we got say gesongo. Ese ngenjunta manye omochio hiyo bante byulu kuchimwanya namba. Jenny Haron ni namanyete. Angi rondo romongno yo mogotu ndora abana kibamenyete mbabwate no ene matulesi no no borangeti. Onye bare iga no ene yange kanisa moro chemba bwate. Nte kirende kesi mbagorere chi uniform mbagorere borangeti. Oyiningo Nero monyene timboli nero monyene lakini gako ngiro erebuye gosere bobe sawa it's okay maambisa mbili enate banga maambisa mbili excuse me maambisa mbili ninje ngoendo handle the case ndoche bakubolira na kimusibati yo yarara betese abana ba mbiyamono I'm through. Let me now take this time to humbly welcome our First Lady May Kwamboka Simba to give her speech.
Hello. The sound is very low. How are you? How are you again? Habangela biamone. Biamone laende. Anko kwa Kwamboka Simba. Ninjio Murugi or Simba Arati. Biamolo. Let me introduce the nominated MCAs who are here. Let me introduce them so that we can do it faster. This is Mheshimiwa Helen, aka Nyams. Mheshimiwa Vanis, Mheshimiwa Ruth, Mheshimiwa Brenda, Mheshimiwa Gaudensha, Mheshimiwa Grace, Mheshimiwa Rabera, Mheshimiwa Evanin, Mheshimiwa Sanaya, Mheshimiwa Eke, and Mheshimiwa Brenda. And Mheshimiwa Damaris. Now, I want to give the mic to Mheshimiwa Ninian so that she can give you a short speech.
I can see my angles here. Mole. Like Mogadred. Mole no Mogoko. Devango Simbani Taya. Simbani Gachitega, Kero Sandona Rarite. That it was the first time when he came here, and you can be able to see Valentine First Lady here. With the collaboration that I have with Mheshimiwa Beatrice, now more everything, take the more First Lady at school, Yagisavakwa. Beatrice, that you don't have any kind of objection, she allowed, and now we are here. Moreno Mogoko. Abangi na iridia tango. One of the promises that the governor gave, it was to nominate me, and they did so. After another 5 years. Let me take this time to wish Class 8, Class 6, at the same time, the Form 4s all the best for your forthcoming examination, especially for the Form 4s. I want to pass this message to you. Make sure you get the next papers for the past 5 years. You go through those papers because most of the examiners, they repeat the questions. If at all you're doing biology, chemistry, maths, all the subjects, at least make sure you get the next papers for the past 5 years. Tigantigira abo ko basebera maya abangina baminto ko baronde kando na rodi chanti chanali ne chango chane na bana baminto tutaongea baadaye. Moses anyway.
So I didn't know she's a daughter here. She's married here. Okay. Now I'm here to deliver the message from Governor Simba Arati and wish all candidates success in your exams. Before I give you the gifts Governor has brought for you, let me collect for you the cow which the MCS has promised. Have you ever ate a cow for Mheshimiwa Beatrice? Yes or no? No. Mheshimiwa Beatrice. Yes, I'm starting with the owner. Okay, come and translate. Do you understand English?
Asenge nchoto burukaine amana abaibori abaminto abori ngamba tebinkyo mongina akwanire iga tebire ngobarante irama igakorwa ase omugabano ito Simba Arati naendo tebire nga atarati gokorwa ebyegu Simba motoma nabyo iga kanetiri tangani korasangereria eng'ombe eye omojumbo inateba amana abaishimiwa abandi batenena naendo manya koboriga ine mwanya koria ng'ombe kurasa Mheshimiwa Beatrice ndero moko yeria.
Thank you. Mheshimiwa Beatrice has given me 15,000.
Mheshimiwa Beatrice orure tiri wiko mina isano.
You're already happy.
Ano mwa kera tiko mina isano.
15,000, can you buy a calf?
Iko mina isano nchibore ng'ombe. Pono rende na kimwago.
So don't clap.
Tago akatinko.
Huh? Let me come to Mheshimiwa Paradiso.
Mheshimiwa nara okoro ku Paradiso enkeri to ganyete to kogenda.
Mheshimiwa Paradiso is a commissioner in the county assembly.
Naenda ni garo ma commissioner se area assembly.
And Mheshimiwa Paradiso is the chair of Bomachoge MCS caucus.
Naenda ni garo manyakero go weke ombeke aba machoge gari bunge. Igono muntu amanene sana.
He has given me 10,000. Mheshimiwa Enyororo, who is the chair of budget.
Ntowato Mheshimiwa Korukwa Enyororo, ogosibatiwesa.
No, men first.
Abaga karitanga ni Enyororo.
Mheshimiwa Richmond.
Now Mheshimiwa Richmond Kayore. Kanyago Tibara.
Yes, how much? Mheshimiwa Enyororo has given me 5,000.
Mheshimiwa Enyororo ruetiri wisano.
Mheshimiwa Richmond has given me another 5,000. Now, this daughter of yours called Ninian. I always have mercy with her. But now we've come home, there's no mercy. She has given us 5,000. Now, I have two visitors here. We went to Tendera Primary. They left a cow there. As we are walking to Sangera Bosoti, they went into hiding. I don't know where they went. But I believe they went to look for money so that I can bring another cow here. Now, I want to bring Wazini a trade. Cyrus Nyabicha. Let us ask how much it's giving so we see if it's worth for him to talk. 5 is not talking. He's giving 10,000. I give him the mic.
Thank you, Madam First Lady. Waheshimiwa n'abantu baminto n'abanafunzi mbuya muli n'omogoko lwa First Lady. Inje Cyrus Masenge Nyabicha seitere mu machogega nande mundu muasiri okore serikali ya Simba Arati mwanje te Simba Arati gando rango jama koiga. Dear First Lady, we are happy to welcome you to Machoge, and the next time you come again. And they are promised. Are you promising to pass exams? Thank you very much.
Thank you for welcoming me, but now if you cannot give me a 4 cow, I'm coming to eat what? We have another minister here, and she has gone behind there. Let me walk behind here. She's giving 10,000. She can come and talk.
Madam May Kwamboka, all the honorable members, abarimu, abana b'esukuru n'abakwanirwa irire. Na inje tigangire tingaki chiko ira Lady May mpuya mono. Na ande nakwana nga ntwara abogerake singenje twara na baminto meiga kogenda seito ntogenda busa na ande bunakwana omane nga nebese twachikorige twatena tiga tobogerake torigia ganta abana baito bacha barie ikiagera nabo bagocha guturinda mambia igo na kitwara asukerake intage togokwana asini ni gatingire chingaki nje nkoro kulea ogega iche no momba wakyangoga omwana ino kabisa na inde na kikiagera twateba nga tiga tobogerende ko tokogenda ko omugeni agocha seito goso omugeni moko mukarabisa buya na ande mwiriria tabuya mwakora buya nero ikikiarenge none kando igoka rusio iriria tango mono esinge choma gani eitire seito Mbuya mono. Nkwane ngana ya mayoka. Mbali moji mwara chega.
Your 10 sound got finished. We need more subscription.
Oh, let me leave it there. Again, tonara go kwana. Mpali bali bakora chegi omugambi muko ibuti nkwana chimbe chigo to obusoku. Onde narora omuntu buno. Imba bibago tebanga bakonyora omuntu buno ye bakumutachiranse. Mbuya mono na abana mweta matembu ya standard 6 8 form 4 twabasoira maya mwete nyasaba konya mocha gotorenda gochimotuma twagote. Mbuya mono nyasaoi.
Has she spoken well? But she has walked away without giving me the 10,000. Thank you. Now I have 5,000 from Moshima Ogugu from Agenche. And 7,000 from Moshima Mokua from Sengera Bosoti. Moshima Vanis is saying she got nominated because of ODM. And she's giving 5,000 because of ODM. Hello? We're waiting for them to count the money. How much do you want? Huh? 10,000. 100. Let us see how much you have reached. Huh? 50,000. DJ, you are snipping. As we are waiting, DJ Melala. You can go there, sub. Chair budget. You take too long to count the money. Huh? We have now 77,000. Also, we are is it enough? No. Moshima Ege is giving us 3,000 and she's also nominated through. Okay. Who else? We have many ODMs here. Moshima Evanin, don't put down the head. Moshima Gaudensha, whom are you calling? Oh, they are looking for money. How much do you have now? We don't want yours. That one is more. How much do you have now? 80. We said they were looking for 100. We need 20. Moshima Beatrice, these children yours, they need a cow from you. After eating that cow, they need muchele. Yes.
Nyanya na kitunguu na mafuta ya kukaranga.
We need from you fast. Don't look at the time. I'm going there. Mheshimiwa Beatrice has added 2,000. Wait. Don't clap. Don't clap. You know, if I don't come here, when did you see her fast? Last. Have you been seeing her? So let her give us enough until the next time. Mheshimiwa 2,000 is not enough. She's well prepared. Hey, you have taken it back. No, you already brought it out. No, add us more. No problem. Just give us everything. No, there's nothing left there. Make it 5. You have given me 3, add me 2. Thank you. She has added us 5,000. You know, Moshima Paradiso is a chair, as I told you.
Oh my God, Paradiso. Nero manyakero kwa machoge.
You must help your member. And you know, Moshima Paradiso has been the county assembly for many years. He has added us another 5,000. Wazini Cyrus. I know you got out from the car, you went to the bank, you picked so much. It's okay. He has added us 1,000. Moshima Ayororo, the chair of budget. You know, Ayororo is very young. Do you see he's very young? He's smart. That is smart, guy. And you know he has no children to pay school fees. Let us give us more. He's adding us 5,000. He's searching his pocket. Those people who don't have, you can fuliza. Thank you. Moshima Richmond, I'm looking for 20. What I've gotten, this one is from Muchene. There is nothing like that 20. No, you give me 20, you said. Moshima Richmond has added 2,000. Richmond, whom have I left? Oh, those ODM nominated. You see, this mama is nice. I will put for her Simbaneta. She Now, no, wait. Moshima Yamani has given me 1,000. The daughter here has added another 2,000. Where's yours? Oh, she's bringing. How much are you giving me? Count. She has given me another 1,000. Hello? I now has 102,000. This MCS I've already tried. I have also tried. But I want it to go to 110. So now I need 8,000. Let me start from the farthest end. Moshima Richmond. He has added me 1,000. Wazini Cyrus. He has added me 1,000. Moshima Paradiso says he has given enough, but because the children, you are so nice, he's adding another 1,000.
Naenda mentreri.
Mheshimiwa Beatrice.
Mheshimiwa Beatrice.
I'm coming. We want to only choose one from you. Mheshimiwa Beatrice is saying, you have not cheered enough for her. She has added 1,000 because you have cheered. You cheered better. She can add another 1,000. That's another 1,000. Okay, she's saying she's Funizani, so that I give her cash, she give me M-Pesa.
Yes.
Add me 1,000. M-Pesa man, please check your M-Pesa. Was in there. You spoke very well. Thank you. She said because she spoke well and you clap for her, she has added 1,000. 5, 6. Now, I have a shortage of 4,000. Mheshimiwa Enyororo, you know I jumped here because you had a lot of money at hand. He has added me another 1,000.
As we pull resources together, I'm going to escort ma'am.
I'm at 7,000. I need another 3,000. Only 3,000. You children. Is Beatrice another mom of yours? You love her. Can we request your mom to add us some small salt? Okay, Mheshimiwa Beatrice is saying, I go and collect. $3,000. Mheshimiwa Damaris is married in Bobasi. She said Bobasi people are rich. She's near it. No, 3,000. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hey! I now have another 10,000. It has become 112. So I need another 8,000. Translator, how much are you giving, translator?
Aya, bona naende umongani gata itibitinde isano isatu. Wana seti isano isatu ko wori nge translator ni renga ko e translator tari mo ko ruare.
Well, it's 112. I want to make it to be 130. No, 120.
120.
Yes.
You want to take the isano isatu. I am giving you 2.
You are giving me 2,000? Yes. So I need another 6,000. Another 6,000. Whom do I look? I look around. Oh, you are saying you are giving 6,000? Bring 1,000. Give us 1,000, so we make it to be 5. Let me pick this one fast. I don't need anything in chance. I have 3,000. I need another 5. Mheshimiwa Rabera is giving me 1. Now I need another 4.
Yes.
Oh, Mama Sanaya, thank you. Another 1.
That's now 5.
I need just 3,000. I have some single girls here. The most beautiful single. Brenda, thank you. Where's another one? I don't take 500.
You
You know, governor is famous of no change.
Yes.
Give us 1,000. Okay. Add her 500. Oh, okay. Take it back. She has her debt. I only need 2,000. 2,000 only. Yes, you're adding how much? Oh, let me pick back the 500. She's giving me 500. I thought she's giving me 1,000. Hello? I have 1,000 here. I want to look for a big 1,000. Don't like change. You give me 1,000. Give change. Change. I want 1,000.
Bring, we give her change. Bring, we give her change. Bring
1,000 fast.
The 1,000 we give her. Bring 1,000. Mom wants the Mexican.
Now, I'm missing only 1,000. Only 1,000 missing. No. Who's for changing? We must be honest.
Yes.
I'm now looking for only 1,000. Put Simbale tire so that we see who can dance and give us 1,000.
Simbane simba, simbane taye kumurika. Yeah.
I've got the 8,000. Now I have 130,000. 120.
Wano mongina otimi ontoiri wakureme buko mpaka jaikire mone merongevere.
Have you seen Simbale tire?
Mwarone Simbale tire. Ekomoreke mebuko yaru la chions.
Now I told you I was sent by who?
Ningo motoma ateba.
Nani? Simba? Simba? He has said he loves all of you.
Simba yote anga abanjete mwenzi.
I have also 30,000 from Governor Simba.
Aye simba ne mamba, simba ne simba, simba ne taye kumurika. Aye simba ne mamba, simba.
Now I have 150,000.
Bono chance amo igawate emia ne meronge tano elfu.
How many schools do you have here?
Tiskuri lengato wata.
3.
Tiskuri sato.
What? 2 or 3? Where is the head teacher and the principal? Okay, I'm told there are 3 schools here. One secondary and 2 primary schools.
Primary.
The head teachers and the principal please come. Hello? Hello? Do you know me?
Ne.
Now I want to give the high school teacher, who is the principal for the high school, 70,000. And the two primaries, 40,000 each. Now the teachers. This money is meant for a cow. Please buy a cow, feed these children. And that cow, they must eat it. And Mheshimiwa Beatrice. Mheshimiwa Beatrice. You know, governor loves transparency. Make sure when they are slaughtering the cow, when they are feeding the children, we have a clip. Asante. Hello. Now, let me give you the gift Governor Simba Arati has brought. First, how many of you know how he looks like? He has given you a success card to wish you success in your exams. Every candidate, you will get a geometric set. The candidates are from class 8 and form 4. Girls, you will get 2 packs of sanitary pads. The young children, you know governor loves you. As you wait for the cow to be cooked, you will drink soda and eat mukate to wait. As you are going home, please say hi to your parents and tell them Governor Simba Arati has said hi. Asante and God bless you. And these things, we have counted them. With the numbers the schools has given me. The numbers are here. Your teacher will dispute to you. In case anyone misses, please look for Mheshimiwa Beatrice. Asante and biamono ni asante basisini.
Your Excellency, utapewa ndizi na hii shule. You have been given a banana by this school. Let's go and plant a tree.
Now you children go that side. You know how governor works. Omari. Follow that man. That man who is showing up the hand.
Sasa unakimbia mbele ya kamera.
Okay, asante. We are planting another one. No. Oh, you are late. Yes.
Ah, tu ada maskani.